Hey, welcome in YouTube family. Brandon with Taylorsfiresmoke Cooking. Today I have a good one for you. We're going to make a garlic butter sauteed spinach. Now this is a very simple and easy recipe, but it's going to pack a punch when it comes to the flavor. You guys stay tuned and we'll go ahead and get into it. And here are the ingredients for this quick sauteed butter and garlic spinach. We're going to have 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter. We have our spinach here. This is a 40-ounce bag, but once it cooks down, it'll be probably a third of this size, if not less. We have some minced garlic, salt, pepper, and crushed red pepper, which is optional. All right, fam. So we've allowed our butter to melt down. Like I said, it was 5 tablespoons. I have my heat on a medium low, and we're going to go ahead and put in our garlic now. Now, the amount of garlic you want to put in is totally up to you. I'm going to put in about a tablespoon. Now, if you don't like quite as much garlic, then feel free to, cut back if you'd like. But I like garlic. My family likes garlic, the flavor of garlic. So we're just going to go ahead and allow this garlic flavor to infuse our butter. Now, you can do this with olive oil as well, avocado oil, if you like to as well. Any type of oil for real, except for a vegetable and canola. And you wouldn't want to use your peanut oil either. But any type of good edible oil, it'll work perfectly fine. But we're using our butter today just to give it a little bit more of a nutty flavor. So what you want to do, you just want to saute your garlic just a little bit to take some of that harshness and that bitterness out. Maybe 30 seconds, 45 seconds or so. But you don't want it to brown. Once it begins to start browning, then we want to go ahead on and add in our spinach. Again, with spinach, it starts off big, but it quickly cooks down. So just put as much into your skillet as you can initially. And you just want to take your tongs after the fact and begin to work it around in that butter and garlic mixture. And we're just going to do that until we're able to put all of our spinach in the pan. I'm not going to season it at all until it begins to cook down, because what you don't want to do is over salt your spinach. Salty spinach is not good. So all we want to do is, again, begin to rotate our spinach around the best we can, picking up some of that garlic and that butter in the process and moving it to the top. That way it doesn't burn. So we're just going to do this for a little bit. Then I'm going to cover it for a few minutes, let it cook down. Then we're going to go ahead and add in some more spinach. So you guys stay tuned. All right, guys. So we've been sauteing our spinach now for about 3 to 4 minutes. And you can see it's beginning to cook down some, make it a little bit more easy for us to manipulate, move around, and rotate. So now that we've got it to this point, I'm just going to go ahead on and begin to add in more of our spinach. I may be able to fit the rest of the bag in, which is great. And you can see that the spinach creates its own liquid as well. So that's another reason you don't have to add in a ton of oil and you don't have to add in any water, because the spinach is definitely going to create its own liquid. So now we're just going to add in the rest of our spinach here. And it's kind of continue to do the same process. Let it go until you're able to move it around, rotate it, and do what you've got to do. All right, so we've got it all in. You can see how it's cooked down so much already. And we're just going to continue to let it go. I'm going to cover it, let it go another 3 to 4 minutes. Then when it gets to the point to where I can really rotate it and stuff, then we're going to go ahead and start salt and peppering and adding in our red pepper. So stay tuned, guys. We'll be back. All right, y'all. So now our spinach is really cooked down good. So now we're going to go ahead and add in our seasonings. Now, if you wanted to, you could have added in onion and everything at the beginning, but I'm just doing a really quick and simple saute on it. So salt to taste, black pepper, Black pepper to taste. Now, one thing I will say about these shakers, it looks like a lot more is coming out of them than what really is. So don't be alarmed by the way it looks on the video. And then we're going to add in a little bit of our crushed red pepper flake. Now, if you don't want to add a little bit of heat to yours, then you most definitely do not have to. Just give it a nice little mix. Now, you could actually be good to go just like this. It's nice, soft, and tender, but I'm going to let it go just a little bit longer. And then we're going to get a quick taste to make sure we don't need to add any more salt or anything into it. Let's get a quick taste really quick. All right. Good, but needs a little more salt. That should do it. And again, we're just going to let it cook down just a little bit longer. So we're just about done already, y'all. So you guys stay tuned and we will definitely be right back. All right, guys, it's been the last 2 to 3 minutes and we've let it completely finish off. And it's done. Let's take a good look at that. Have nice little pot liquor in there. The juices from the spinach. We got our salt, pepper, garlic, crushed red pepper. Seasoned just right, but season it to your liking. And this makes a perfect side dish to go along with it, pretty much any meal, especially seafood. We're going to have it with some salmon, but you can make it with, chicken, any type of fish, a steak, pork loin, whatever you like. So hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. 10 minutes, give or take, and you're done, ready to go. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, share the video out. Till the next time, God bless you. We'll see you around.